For the water line, why you need here? For hazardous process, you need as well. Always wet condition.
Isolated. There is a wall so that it will keep the water inside.
It will be the same. The same class.
Whether you are connecting these two machines separately or with a common pipe.
It is similar. Even that one, this one,
What is the discharge level? If there is high, after the minimum, then there is no.
we have nothing.
No, they in any way they have to connect above the maximum water level. Yeah. Otherwise backflow will be there. Yeah.
There is no wall required.
And this,
discharge is
yeah.
high.
Because
the gravity flow, there will be always chances of backflow even during operation.
So in nutshell, the outlet should be in such a point so that always their minimum liquidity is there, minimum level of liquidity. Yeah. Yeah, I'll put here. Yeah. Low level.
Discharge invert of the pipe should be above the maximum water level in the pipe.
Outlet line, water line, point is
Yeah, if you are constructing the pipe,
elevated.
no water, that you don't need more.
This part, it is same. If you put part of not putting the part.
No, Ahmad, I am talking about just PLR, open the PLR.
Okay, just a minute. Yeah.
Connect these two pipes above the maximum water level. Finish.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like that.
So that means the minimum level will be always there in the tank. Correct. Okay, Imran, anything else that we have covered that I read it?
For testing.
Testing.
For cleaning. Testing kit.
Ahmed.
No, not commercial. How you do the maintenance?
Cleaning.
You need a chemical cleaning.
That is SOP is required from Meta.
It is there in the Meta.
The manufacturer is recommending that.
Yeah.
Frequency with the chemical.
I think we can cover in the other.
Chemical and put there.
We can cover in other section, maintenance, right?
Yeah. Chemical cleaning.